Good morning. Today we are going to talk about the importance of vocabulary and we will learn 5 vocabulary words which you may need in your essay or during your speaking exam. In vocabulary, it doesn't mean that you need to use very high level words. Vocabulary means that you have to use the words in the right sense. And sometimes we don't have words for something, so we are going to learn these words. And first is splendid. The first word is splendid. Splendid means very good, and in Punjabi we can say that shandar. Okay, and splendid we can use word for to say good instead of good. You can say that it is splendid. Okay. Now, second word is you may not use in your writing, but maybe this word help you to understand some of the reading questions. Distress. It is a noun, and the meaning of that word is a feeling of great worry or unhappiness or great suffering. Distress means ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ ਆਪਾਂ word tension ਕਹਿ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਸੋ maybe ਇਹ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਪਵੇ okay. Okay, so next word is livelihood. Now, livelihood means ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਹਿ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ to fulfill their dreams ਜਾਂ to fulfill their daily needs. So ਇੱਕ ਇਨਸਾਨ ਨੂੰ ਜੀਣੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਧਨ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ livelihood ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ. Okay, so next is inevitable. ਇਨਐਵਿਟੇਬਲ that is unavoidable, ਜਿਸ ਨੂੰ ਟਾਲਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਹਾਲਤ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਟਾਲਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਜਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਬਦਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਓਕੇ inevitably is the adverb and inevitable that is the that is the adjective. Okay, so we can use that word very effectively in the essay, especially when we are talking about some problems. So in that case we can use that word. And the last word is contented. So contented means happy, so khush. Okay, so contented person, that is we can use that word. Okay, so these are the 5 words and tomorrow we will share more words and stay tuned, like the channel, subscribe the channel, and also share this video if you think that this video is more valuable to you. Thank you.